Today we're going to check out a brand new villa here in a gated community called Serene. It's about 5 minutes from Portaventuras. Let's go check it out. All right, we'll check out the bedrooms first. They are on the upper level. So if you want to follow me here, we'll check this out. So on this side of the villa, there is 2 bedrooms. So the attention to detail is very good in this build. Everything is custom made. You can see that there's a lot of nice fine touches on this. All the cabinetry is custom made as well. All the furniture is included, so it's something to keep in mind. You have all your drawers, plenty of closet organizer space. Check out the other bedroom over here. There's a secondary ensuite here, very similar to the other one. And then you have the bedroom, which this one has a king size bed, a massive storage or closet organizer, and you actually have your own private patio on this one, which overlooks the jungle. Let's take a look here. So you have actually really heavy, thick glass. It's not hurricane rated, but it is much thicker than standard glass. And you can see this huge jungle area here. So they've preserved quite a bit of it, which is a nice touch. And then you can see the pool and all that, but we'll check that out in a moment when we head downstairs. All right, so let's go check out the 3rd bedroom on this floor. You have another patio that's, I guess, shared with this bedroom, but it's a nice entertaining spot. And then again, you have another king size bed, huge closet organizer, and then another ensuite. Again, similar in style to the rest, but again, they didn't cheap out on any of the materials. This tile is really nice. The quartz countertops are really nice as well. And there's a window in here for ventilation. And what I actually really loved is the fact that they put a hand shower in the actual showers. Kind of rare here in Mexico. All right, let's make our way downstairs to the main living area and also where you're gonna find the primary bedroom. This is a really nice feature. I love the lights here. The natural stone is very nice. It brings out the natural elements in this area. Nice wide staircases, very key. Convenient when you're carrying big furniture, but as I mentioned, this includes all the furniture that you see, and all of it is really high-end, custom made as well. So this is the outside patio. You have a nice waterfall to the pool and the hot tub, but we'll actually go check that out in a moment. So this is the primary or master bedroom. Plenty of closet space here, drawers, king-size bed with your nightstand organizers, a massive walk-in closet. And you actually have 2 sides for like your long stuff and double racks here. And then again, you have a giant master ensuite, but you have the 2 vanity sinks. Go check the living room. So of course you have your own private sliding glass door to head out to the patio. Now, this is something that a lot of houses in Mexico don't have, is storage under the stairs. You'll find the mechanics and the security system there as well. There is the powder room on this floor. So this makes it the 4.5 bath. And then we have this beautiful kitchen with custom cabinetry. It's got this really high-end tech fridge here, which is very cool. You can watch your recipes as you cook or whatever. What I really like too is this very unique hood range. I haven't quite seen something like this. It does vent to the outside, but it's very cool to have. You also have your laundry room in here, so you can easily put your machines, your wash tub, and then your mechanics are in here. It does have a tankless on-demand water heater system. And then you have a bar on this side with some accent lighting, which is quite nice. Again, quartz throughout, which is good. You have a wine rack and some built-in shelves. And then you have the living room area with this massive TV. It's very cozy, great for entertaining. You do have a fan, which is a very nice touch. You have a massive air conditioner, so this floor will always feel nice and cool. And of course, you have these giant sliding patio doors and a secondary door here to get out to the patio. Let's go check out the outside. So you have this really nice pool. It's got a really nice waterfall feature. It does have the jacuzzi tub there. It is not a hot tub. You don't need one in Mexico. You have a huge sun deck. And then you have another patio space here where you can put your dining set or entertainment spot there. And what's really cool is this is a huge lot. I believe it's almost an acre. And you have this sunken in area of the jungle. There are plenty of iguanas. So if you have kids, they would love chasing them. But then all of that is still your property, and it's been left and maintained to keep that privacy and the jungle vibes. Let's head back inside. It's a little toasty today. So, let's talk about the house itself. So there is a solar panel system, so you basically get free energy to run all of these air conditioners in every room on all the time. This house is currently listed on Airbnb and other rental sites. So if you were to take this over, you would get all the booking history and all the Rolodex, so you can continue that business if you'd like. The owner is from Canada, so this is, I believe, the 4th house he's built in this community. Definitely knows what he's doing. It obviously shows. The attention to detail is amazing here. He didn't skimp out on anything, and the construction quality is really, really high here. When you're buying in Mexico, that's a huge plus. When you buy into this community or this house, for example, you will have access to the beach. It's a short golf cart ride away, or walk or bike or whatever you want. So the owner does have the highest level of the Serene's amenity package with the clubhouse, so you can actually get that transferred over when you purchase this place. And as I mentioned, everything is equipped and it comes fully turnkey. You get all this really nice furniture, and no one's ever lived here yet. It hasn't even been rented yet. The owner actually literally just put it up for Airbnb last week. So if you want to inquire about this, let us know, comment below, and I'll connect you with one of our agents at Corazon Properties. So if you're thinking of moving to the Riviera Maya, this could be the house for you. Thanks for watching.